Okay, so get this. There's a shocking truth out there, and if you're not using it, then frankly, you're trading all wrong without this. Today, we're finally pulling back the curtain on this incredible tool, specifically the power of the Bollinger Bands and how it can completely transform your approach to the market. This ain't some crazy, super complex sketchy thing. And once you see how to use it, you're gonna feel like you've got this total insider's map to what the market's gonna do next. This isn't just about trading, it's about gaining an unfair advantage. So, these three simple lines, these aren't just lines. They're like your instant readout of the market's pulse. They scream overbought or oversold, basically telling you precisely when something's about to fill up or when the trend is just about to go into overdrive. But the real mind blower, the signal you really want to watch, is when the price just blasts right through these lines. This is seriously where you make the real money. When the price explodes through the top or bottom band, it's basically yelling one thing. A huge trend is either kicking off or it's about to go even harder, closes above the top band. That's your undeniable green light for a bullish move. Big time. Below the bottom band, get ready for a potential massive drop. This isn't just theory. We're talking about real actionable signals that just keep showing up over and over. Look at this move right here. That's not just luck. That's the Bollinger Band's breakout strategy doing its thing. Seeing the signal pop up right in front of your eyes, that's the edge I'm talking about. And you're probably thinking, okay, I need this one on my chart. How do I get those exact buy and sell signals? Don't even sweat it. It's way easier than you think. And here's the best part. It works on anything. Stocks, crypto, forex, futures, and on any time frame. Whether you're scalping on the 1 minute or swing trading on the daily. Alright, let's get you hooked up. Right now, just open up TradingView. Doesn't matter what chart you're gonna open. We're gonna get this working instantly. Go up to the indicators. Type in Bollinger Bands breakout strategy. You'll see it pop right up. One click and bam, your profit compass is on your chart, ready to show you those sweet signals. Okay, so check this out on the chart. We're looking at the Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame here. Now, you can totally see the trend is actually heading down, right? But then, boom, there's a bullish breakout that happened, and our indicator actually gives us a buy signal. Now, that's what we call a counter trend signal. It's going against the bigger picture, the main flow of the market. And look, this is exactly why I always tell people you gotta use the confirmation tool with any trading strategy. It's like getting a second opinion before you make a big move. And for this, you're gonna keep it super simple, just a basic moving average. So let's head up back to the top of the trading view, hit the indicators button again. This time, in the search bar, just type in SMA or simple moving average. Either one works. Then boom, click it and it'll pop up right on your chart. Now, by default, this SMA usually shows up with a length of 9. That's actually pretty good for a lot of stuff, but for confirming our Bollinger Band signals, we want to tweak it a bit. So jump into the settings, you'll see it right there. And in the inputs tab, we're gonna change the length from 9 all the way to 200. We don't need to mess with anything else for now, but let's hop over to the style tab real quick and make the line a little thicker. Maybe change the color to something that really pops, like a brighter white or bold blue, just so it really stands out. Alright, so now this nice thick line you see here, this is our simple moving average set to 200 period, and this thing is gonna be our go-to confirmation body. So what are the exact trading rules to actually make some cash with this, right? Well, here it is, super simple. We only trade with the trend. Think of it like swimming with the current, not fighting against it. So, the main trend is down, meaning those price candles are chilling below our white 200 period simple moving average line. That tells us we're only looking for sell trades, period. See the bullish breakout we just talked about on the BTC chart? The one where the indicator tried to tell us to buy? We escaped that. We pass on it. No hesitation, no regrets. It's a counter trend signal. Instead, we wait for the next signal, which is gonna be a bearish breakout. That's when the price smashes below the lower Bollinger Band. That, my friend, is a valid sell signal for us on a downtrend. That's our green light to get in. Now for your stop loss, super important to protect your money, right? You've got a few good options. You can use a recent high point, the Bollinger Band itself, or even our trusty SMA line. Me, I usually go with the one that's closer to my entry, cause that helps me manage my risk tighter. We won't lose a small, win big, right? And for your target, you want to shoot for at least 2R. What's 2R? It just means you're trying to make at least twice what you're risking. So if you're risking $100, you're looking for 200 and profit. You can even take some of your profit at 2R, locking those gains, and then let the rest write even bigger targets like 4R. That's how you really crank up your trading. Now the exact opposite rules apply when the trend is going up, when the price is constantly above our 200 period SMA line. That tells us the market has a strong bullish momentum. So, just like before, we ignore any bearish breakout of the Bollinger Bands, like the signal you see right here on the screen. We don't touch it, but we're all about taking those buy signals as valid in an uptrend, especially when we get a strong bullish breakout of the Bollinger Bands, just like this one. See how clean that is? Your stop loss here would be a recent low point, or again the Bollinger Bands or the SMA line. Just pick the one that fits your risk tolerance best. And for your target, same deal. At least set it to 2R. Always aim for that 2R minimum to make your wins count. But here I gotta tell you the absolute truth. The most important thing in all this, with any strategy, it's risk management. Seriously, it's not even an option. This is what separates the folks who constantly make money from everyone else. You can have the best trading strategy in the world, but if you don't manage your risk, you're basically just gambling. And because this is so crucial, I actually put together a super in-depth video all about risk management. It's packed with exactly what you need to know to protect your money and truly grow your profits. This isn't just a suggestion, it's the absolute next stop. It's popping up on your screen right now. Click that video, go check it out, and let's keep building that wealth.